Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the weekly NFT market analysis. I'm your host, Shahab, and let's jump right into it. So, looking at the floors of the top collections, we can see that most of the collections have been in the green for the last week. Most of the collections that matter, except for Clone X. Isekai Meta, that one was a big disappointment. But other than that, everything looks green. Bored Ape is up to 76 Ethereum. It was trading below 70 last week. Mutant Apes is almost at 15. It was trading below 14 last week. Other Deeds has been up as well. Even Azuki, we can see, is at 33.53 Ethereum. And there has been a lot of hype about Pudgy Penguins because last week we had this unusual sale of 400 Ethereum, a $628,000 NFT sale this week. And everybody was saying that the market is dead, but we're still seeing people making big trades in this market. The interesting thing, the unique thing about this particular Pudgy Penguin number 6873 is that this particular one is the only one that is facing left. That's the only one in this collection that faces left. And then we're seeing big bets being placed even in a bearish market. Another NFT collection that minted yesterday is EZU by Psychedelic Anonymous. This is a where to earn NFT, and even though this one has not minted out yet, it's still 5,200 items that were minted, and it's minting at 0.2. So even in this bear market, we are seeing projects minting for a mint price of 0.2, and it's holding above the floor price, which is impressive because they raised about 1,000 Ethereum in a day in a bearish market. So looking at OpenSea, we can see that the volume is still holding steady from the low levels that it reached in June. It's not dropping even more, but it's still forming kind of like a floor. If we go down and look at the monthly active traders, we can see that back in January, we had 547,330 traders. In July, we had 416,000 active Ethereum traders. So we can see that there is not a lot of drop. I mean, we can see that it's consistently dropping, but we can see that most of the people in the NFT market are still there. And that's why we're seeing some of these collections mint, even though the volume is super low. It shows that the NFT market is not dead yet. It's kind of like in hibernation. People are still waiting and watching what's going to happen. And we can expect these people to come back in and mint whenever there is a good project minting. So that's it from me for this week, and I'll see you next week.